Hello.
Hello. Sorry, I cannot speak English.
Can you speak Hindi?
Hindi? No, I can speak Indonesia.
Indonesia. Okay.
I'm from Indonesia.
Okay. Why you hide your half face? Wow, it's so beautiful. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. What's your name?
My name is Kira.
Ira.
Yeah.
Okay, nice name.
Yes. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you
What is
too.
your name? You from Hindi?
No, I am from Bangladesh.
Bangladesh.
Yeah.
You're handsome.
You looking so beautiful. Do you know that?
Thank you. You're handsome.
Okay,
I
thank you.
like you.
Thank you. You like me? Okay. I also like you. So sweet.
Yes.
So sweet.
Oh, sweet.
Yeah.
Yes. Thank you.
Welcome. You are with your mom?
Yes.
Okay. Your mom are talking to you. Are
My mom.
okay. Hello, mom. Oh, mom is shy. Hello, mom.
Hello.
Hi. How are
Hello.
you, mom? How are you?
Fine.
Hello, mom.
Hello.
Your daughter is so beautiful. I like her.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
You you like my mother? Or I.
No, I like you.
You. Thank you.
Okay.
Kebanyakan kamu chicken. You Muslim?
Yeah, I'm Muslim. Are you Muslim?
Good. Masya Allah. Alhamdulillah. Apa lu? I'm Muslim.
Okay, thank you. I'm also Muslim.
You marry me?
Yeah.
You go to in Indonesia.
Okay. Then will you come to me in
Mm.
my country?
Yes.
Really?
Really? You seriously?
Serious. I'm seriously talking to you. How old
What?
are you? How old are you?
Me? 21.
21. 21.
Hmm.
Okay.
Yes.
I'm 26.
What?
I'm 26.
Good. I like.
You like? You like my eyes?
Yes.
You have so beautiful eyes.
My eyes
Yeah.
or you eyes? My eyes?
Yeah.
You eyes. Good.
But my eyes is white and your eyes is black.
Các câu này chứ hai gầm hai.